Dear ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to Hefei, the city of innovation. Thank you for coming to the global launch event of Ehang VT35. Now, the ceremony is officially started. First, let's welcome Wang Zhao, the COO of Ehang. Applause, please. Dear partners and friends, good afternoon. At this moment, I'm very excited. Today, we are together to witness the milestone moment for the low-altitude economy. First, on behalf of all Ehang members, thank you for coming. With the rapid development of the low-altitude economy, all kinds of new aircrafts have been put into the market, but most of them are still positioned for short-distance flights. Travel between cities are still unavailable. In the past 11 years, Ehang have continuously developed more than 20 kinds of aircrafts. In fact, we have more than 216. There are many. On 2023, A216 has obtained the TC issued by CAAC. Among our products, in addition to 216, VT is also our focus. The VT series is a key product for intercity transportation. After 11 years hard working, we formed an ecosystem for VT35. The 216 has made a great contribution. The world's first eVTOL with TC, AC, PC, and this year, OC, the complete of the certificates of 216, verifies our safety and compliance capabilities. Until August, 216 has completed 73,000 safe flights. We've established 40 operation sites in China that are in operation or in test. These experiences will help VT35. And later, Mr. Feng Shui will explain product parameters in detail. You can see that all 216 sites can operate VT35. It protects our partners' investment on infrastructures. VT35 symbols Ehang's long-range product. It is an innovation of the urban air traffic and a milestone of low-altitude economy. The VT35 aircraft is designed to land and take off in urban areas, while combined with long-range attribute. That is, from urban to intercity. It can also save the time in logistics and commutations. For a long time, I've been watching the progresses of VT35, but I couldn't share it with other people. For confidential reason, I'm eager to share it. So today, with this excited mood, we are finally going to unveil Ehang long-range eVTOL VT35's true face. This is VT30. VT35 is its iteration. It can achieve long-range flight with a size suitable for urban. So, where is VT35? It is on me. Look, this is the VT35. You will see the larger picture later. Here, I also want to thank Hefei. The headquarters of VT35 has settled here. We will continue to work with our partners for high-quality development. We also look forward to more partners. Let's expand the industry ecosystem. Let's move forward together. In the past 2 years, Ehang developed rapidly, with one achievement after another. Today, standing at a new height. I believe that, with our leading advantages in the industry, we will open a new era of low-altitude traffic. Let air traffic reduces the urban distances and reach every corner. Thank you all again. Ehang will continue to lead the global low-altitude economy and contribute to the global aviation industry. Now let's welcome Mr. Feng Shui, SVP of Ehang, to give us an in-depth analysis of the VT35's technological core. Hello everyone, I'm Feng Shui. Today is October 13th. 2 years ago, Ehang 216 obtained the world's first VTOL TC. Today, let's witness a new start. The birth of VT35. Humans' exploration of the sky is a magnificent history. In 1903, the Wright brothers invented the Flyer 1. In fact, before 1903, many aircraft had already been invented. But we could control this craft's speed and direction. It opened the era of aviation. Human become the sky explorers who can freely control the flight. In 1969, the Boeing 747 was born. This plane was 50 years ago, but it was the first large wide-body plane, making air travel popular. In 2017, our domestic aircraft C919 made its first flight. China enters the global arena of large passenger aircraft, showing its strong strength of aviation industry. In 2023, 2 years ago today, Ehang obtained the world's first TC, a VTOL, opened a new era of no-pilot manned flight. In the past, urban congestion and inconvenient island travel limits our travel efficiency. These travel problems have severely restricted our lives and development. We must seek new ways of traveling and redefine our travel efficiency and living radius. 200 kilometers is not a simple number. You can fly from the center to the suburbs or neighboring cities. It redefines a 1-hour living circle.
续航不再只是冰冷的数字，它是您生活半径的边界。无论是合肥、北京、广州，我们说大湾区。
Now, I want to introduce to you a product that completely reshapes the travel pattern. VT35.
长航程载人与 VT35 隆重登场。
Our VT35 adopts a series of new designs. I will focus on introducing the parameters and its safety features. The full load range of VT35 is more than 200 kilometers. It is the lowest number we selected in the real tests. The cruise speed is more than 216 kilometers per hour. The endurance time is more than 60 minutes. Its takeoff weight is 950 kilograms, providing an effective payload of over 200 kilograms. VT35 has excellent performance parameters. VT35 adopts composite wings. When taking off and landing, 8 vertical takeoff engines provide lift to pull the plane off the ground. After takeoff, our tail thrusters start to work, switching VT35 to fixed wing mode. VT35 also adopts a tandem layout. This has a significant advantage. On the one hand, it improves boarding comfort. People can smoothly get on the plane. On the other hand, it reduces the size of the aircraft. All the landing sites we built on the 216 can be fully utilized. The size of VT35. Wingspan 8.16 meters, length 8.26 meters, height 3.09 meters. Compared to 216, its fuselage width and length only increases by 2 meters. This also means that it can park 5 units in the standard landing platform we previously arranged, which is 30 meters. It realizes the perfect utilization of the aircraft and the site. This is conducive to the layout of urban. Next, I will focus on the streamlined design. We have different working conditions for aerodynamic simulations. We have done 70,000 simulations. We also conducted wind tunnel experiments. Collect wind tunnel curves of 1,400 working conditions. Finally, we used minimalist lines to outline the lowest resistance shape, which reduces flight resistance, ensuring energy efficiency and stability. Then you must have a question. Can VT35 match the current commuting scenario? As it is so small and so light. So I used a map of a common highway map. Here is the carpool lane. When there are 2 or more people, you can drive in this lane. Even though the traffic is so congested, the carpool lane is still very smooth. Most people still travel alone or travel into people. So for VT35, we are auto-driving. I don't need a driver. I think to passengers. Can meet 80% of commuting needs. Our 2-seat design is just right. Its production cost per seat is lower. higher seat utilization rate, and higher operating efficiency. No waiting, and users can set off immediately, at any time. One person can fly, 2 people can fly, the empty rate is up to 50%. VT35 brings a comfortable space, a 180-degree viewing platform, the air conditioning, ensuring the freshness of the air inside. We also have an interactive platform for passengers. How big is the luggage compartment? We can accommodate 5 carry-on bags and 2 full-size checked bags. Their weight is limited to 200 kilograms in total. VT35 inherits the 216's fully automatic driving. No pilot, and passengers don't need to operate. It can fly the scheduled route. The automatic navigation can avoid various human operation errors. VT35 also adheres to collaborative protection. We built a triple perception defense line, including LiDAR, millimeter wave radar, and a visual system. It is just like installing a full-range early warning system. It ensures the safe journey of passengers. We also adhere to zero-carbon travel. Pure electric cruising, with noise lower than city limits, making the city quieter and more peaceful. With the help of high-energy density batteries, both environmental protection and efficiency are reached. It supports fast charging and modular operation. This is a key point today. Safety is our consistent pursuit. It is not just a line of defense. I want to focus on our backup mechanism. First, our multiple wing and fixed wing are backups to each other. If our tail thruster propeller has a problem during level flight, our 8 vertical motors can smoothly land the plane on the ground. When the vertical motors fail, my fixed wing system can also perform a decent landing. The power system backup. All 8 propellers are mutually backed up. My dual winding motor. Each motor has 2 sets of drive systems. Here, I can tell you that in the test field, we completed the single propeller power loss test. When 1.5 propellers are missing, VT35 can still fly stably. This is about power distribution. Okay. Let's talk about A216, the ancestral multi-sensor fusion and 3 flight control architecture. We applied it to the VT35. This complete voting mechanism provides stable control of the aircraft. It also uses a 4-module battery assembly and a hybrid power distribution box. When a single battery fails, the aircraft can still achieve the complete energy supply of the aircraft. 8 rudder surfaces are mixed to achieve all functions of pitch and lift. When a single rudder fails, other control surfaces will participate in attitude control, ensuring stable flight. I have 3 data links: a ground base station for 4 grams and 5 grams, a ground control point-to-point autonomous, and a satellite communication, ensuring the aircraft is always online.
高效出行一步到位。
The key is
就在于
our current force safety mechanisms,
安全、性能、
environmental protection experience, and 4 dimensions are all excellent.
过硬。从安心启程到高效抵达，
From green energy saving to comfortable experience, VT35 meets all the needs of efficient
满足
travel.
高效出行的所有需求。
Let me show you
展示一下
the entire development path.
发展之路。
It's very clear, and each step is solid. In 2019, VT30 was officially launched.
正式立项。VT30 立项。
In 2020, VT30 was assembled. The first aircraft was delivered in 2021.
首架机。21年
VT30's first flight was in 2021, all the way to 2023.
23年，对吧？
What did we do in between?
知道的啊。
In 2023, we iterated the VT30.
构型迭代。
VT35 project was officially started.
23年的10月，就2年前的今天。
In August 2024, VT35 completed the conceptual demonstration
概念论证与设计。
and smoothly entered the prototype stage
样机阶段总装下线
and began scientific test flights. Now, our VT35 review team has been established.
审查组已经成立。
We have started various trials and verification activities. I believe that with the good foundation of A216,
VT35在216的良好基础下，
we can complete the trial and certification work in the quickest speed.
在这里，我还要向大家宣布一个好消息。
In addition to the composite wing,
复合翼构型外，
we have also developed VT35E's tilting wing model. After a lot of theoretical calculations and engineering practices, we have found the optimal design solution for the two-wing tiltrotor. What are the advantages
两桨轻转方案
of the VT35Es? First, the best aerodynamic efficiency.
效率最优。
This power system
动力系统
can balance the aerodynamic design of hovering and cruising. This can achieve the optimal solution for the aerodynamic efficiency. Meanwhile, the motor has the best efficiency
效率最优。
and highest performance utilization. We now have a single motor.
就现在咱看到的一个轻转的电机。
The single motor's maximum thrust is 300 kilograms. Two motors can fully meet the power requirements.
满足平飞的动力要求。
In fact, one motor is enough for the power requirement of level flight. Thirdly, our weight is better.
重量更优，因为变距桨叶
The tilt mechanism will bring more power and weight.
多的动力重量。
Therefore, the two tilt motors are just enough, both in terms of power and weight,
重量刚刚好，
and it also reduces
它也减少了
the safety hazards in the mechanical structure.
安全隐患。
Next,
来到了激动人心的时刻
let's guess the price of the VT35 standard version.
，VT35标准版，两个标准版
How much is it?
多少？2000万，800。
Wow, I think we should not bid anymore.
不要竞拍了，不要竞拍了，对吧？
VT35 standard version is no less than 6.5 million yuans.
不低于650万元。
Oh, this is the cheapest.
这是现在最便宜的
Composite wing crafts that can carry people.
装作版本。
And next,
接下来我们要进行最激动人心的一个时刻。
let's witness the elegant flight posture of VT35.
优雅的飞行姿态。
Thank you all. Thank you, Mr. Wang Shui, for your detailed and wonderful explanation. This is the Ehang VT35. This is the future of your life. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all looking forward to seeing the VT35?
现在让我们用最热烈的掌声，有请各位嘉宾共同登台，为我们揭开神秘的面纱。
Applause.
请江汽集团股份公司党委委员、副总经理尹新科，安徽省发改委地空处副处长徐海军，庐江县委书记许华为，合肥市发改委党组书记主任徐斌，包河区委副书记、包河区政府区长李伟，一航智能首席运营官、集团总经理王钊，一航智能首席财务官杨家红，以及一航智能副总裁、华东区域总经理李小娜共同登台为 VT35揭幕。好，请各位领导触摸我们的大屏幕。看向我们舞台的前方，也请现场的摄影老师们留下这珍贵的历史性的时刻，让我们一同倒数，正式启幕。
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please take your seats.
3、2、1，有请各位领导落座。
To witness the amazing debut of VT35.
惊艳亮相，有请领导落座。
The VT35 comes with its outstanding breakthrough, redefining our time and space boundaries. It makes air transportation across urban agglomerations, mountainous areas, come into reality. Please enjoy the VT35. At this moment, we invite the guests in the first two rows to move around our VT35. Let's record this milestone moment. Let's take the first family photo with our VT35. Applause.
也请我们的领导和嘉宾们在我们 VT35的左右依次的排开。
What a precious historical moment. Came to our VT35 one by one, leaving VT35 in the center. Okay. Please use your camera to record this precious moment. Thank you.
请领导各嘉宾落座。
Only on the top of the mountain can we see the river running.
大河奔涌，于群峰之上，更觉长空浩大。当旋翼开始转动，思想的航程仍在天际盘旋。
Thanks again to all friends for coming, who have joined us in this long journey. At this moment, please focus our attention on the left side of the stage. There, a row of 10 EHs tall, displayed orderly, shining brightly. Product matrix for air traffic. Welcome to visit